What's up guys, it's Lauder from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to generate papers into a very simple, fast, effective and free method. There is no even need for a login. Just go to Google and type paper me pixels, just like this, okay? Go to this first result and you're gonna be able to see this website right here. Review the left sidebar of menus of this online tool, okay? We have a couple of types of papers that you can play with and you can generate. Every single type of paper can be found into this tool. Then you can change the size of the paper. You can change the theme of the paper. It's all up to you, okay? You can change the color. You can change the style of the line, the spacing in millimeters, it's recommended, okay, up to you. It's up to you as well. You can change the date line. You can change the line widget, the margin settings. You can apply a sidebar in the case that you want. You can change the background, the background pattern, in the case that you want, can be customized as well. You can enter a watermark, in the case that you want. You can even upload a logo type. You can change the count of pages, and you can export and import settings, okay? And after having the design in the way that you need, you can export in PDF, SVG, PNG, and doc, okay? For your printing. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!